Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clone a website built in Lovable into Elementor with 100% accuracy in just a few minutes. This will save you a lot of time and effort in your designing, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, the website you see on this screen was built using Lovable. It looks quite good, and there are a lot of elements included here. The color combination also looks very professional. We are going to clone this exact website into our WordPress site with 100% accuracy. We will be cloning it into Elementor. So, let's move on to the next step. To cloning the website, we need to go to this website, which is called clone-webx.softly.io. I will provide the link to this website in the video description. As soon as you open this link, you will need to sign up. After signing up, a dashboard like this will open for you. Here, you need to click on Add New Project. Enter your project name here. I am choosing the project name Buddy Design. After this, you need to add the source domain, meaning you have to add the link of the website you want to clone. I want to clone this specific website, so I will copy its URL and paste it here. After that, we will click on Create Project. When you click on Create Project, a page like this will open. In this page, you will see there are some steps which you need to follow. The first step says Install Clone WebEx Chrome extension. If you haven't installed this extension yet, you can click here to install it. I have already installed it, which is why you see the Remove from Chrome button option. The next option is Open your target web page. We will open the web page that we want to clone. I want to clone this web page, which is why I have opened it. After that, we will click on the extension we downloaded. There is an Add Pages option here. We will click on that. After a short while, an interface like this will appear. Here, you will see options for export type, CSS selectors, page builders, and requirements here. Let's see what we get under export type. Under export type, you will see two options, selectors and entire page. If you choose the selectors option, you will also see CSS selectors here. You should only choose the selectors option if you want to copy a specific section from the entire page. Otherwise, you can choose entire page. I want to clone the entire page, so I am selecting entire page here. Next, we have the page builder option. Inside this, you can see many page builders listed. These include Elementor, Gutenberg, Webflow, Bricks, Breakdance, and Divi. I am choosing Elementor because we have used the Elementor builder in WordPress. That is why I am selecting Elementor here. After this, we have some requirements here. If you look at these requirements, the first one is click here to download and install Softlight IO integration plugin. So first, we need to download this plugin. Let's go ahead and start the download. The next option is Flexbox Container installation is mandatory. To fulfill this second requirement, we will go directly to our WordPress dashboard. Then we will go to Elementor. After that, we will go to the settings in the editor. Then we will click on the Features tab. Now, when you scroll down in Features, you will see the Container option. By default, the selection is set to default. We will click on it and set it to active. After that, we will save the changes. So now our container is active. After this, we go back to our Lovable website. And after that, the third option states that whenever you want to paste this entire section into your Elementor, you will need to right-click. So upon right-clicking, you will see an option that says Paste from other sites. If you click that, an option will appear for you to press Ctrl+V. So you need to perform that same Ctrl+V. And after that, your website will be pasted. That is what it says. So there are many other options given below as well. I won't be filling in anything here right now. And after that, we will click directly on export. After clicking on export, you will see two more options here, export and copy to clipboard. So guys, I am now copying this to the clipboard from here. This means that I have now copied the entire page from here. Now we will go to our WordPress dashboard, and here we will go straight to plugins. After arriving in plugins, we will go to add plugins. After that, we will go to upload plugin, and here we will choose a file, Softlight IO. We will select that zip file from here and install it. The plugin we are installing here is necessary because if we don't install this plugin, whatever we copy from the Lovable website, that entire design will not be able to be pasted into Elementor. That is why we are installing it. So now we will activate the plugin here. So guys, our Softlight IO integration is now activated here. Now we will go to our pages, and here we will create a page. And to create this page, we will go to Add Page. Here we will name our page Home, and then we will click on Edit with Elementor. So guys, we need to clone this entire page, and this is our entire home page. That is why I have named the page Home Page here. Now you can see the entire page is blank, there is no design, and you can also see home title here. So to remove this, we will go to page settings. Here we will hide the title. And for the page layout, I am currently including it in Canvas. So now our home page looks completely blank like this. And now we will copy the website we created in Lovable. Go to copy to clipboard. We have copied it from here. After that, we will come back to our Elementor editor. And here we will right click. And here we will click on paste from other site. You will get an option here to press Ctrl plus V. So we will press Ctrl plus V. So guys, you can see that we have successfully cloned the entire website. 100% exactly the same website built in our Lovable project. Now we will publish it from here. After publishing it, let's see live how this website actually looks. So, in the live view, this website looks 100% accurate, the same as what we created in Lovable. Every piece of content, every font style, its background color, and all the images, we have cloned our website exactly 100% identical. So guys, you can also do this in the same way by following process. So that's all for today's video. We also provide AI-friendly website development services. If you need any help regarding that, you can book free 30-minute consultation call with our expert. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.